yeah, this is all that I would need on a whole face. I'm not a makeup person, but see, just look at this. Without anything, I have that kind of a coverage. And I don't need to use a concealer or anything, and my hand is all concealed. I do not like very white products, but I do have something to make it white. And here, everything is finished, covered. The machhar bites have gone, and my skin feels smooth. So this is something that I use sparingly for very special brides or clients, because I use less and it gives a lovely flawless cover. So it's all concealer, corrector, everything in one. One has got a yellow base, one is this. So here's all about my things. Now I come to when we travel for work, so we have to set up our stations. So this is all the eyeshadow stations. These are my lipsticks, darker lipsticks. Of course, all of them are non-transfer. And I just got one transfer one because I have to make sure कि वो last करे and the mask take it in. So here everything is put in separately. My airbrush stuff is here. I'll do a class another time. And here is my skin tones. Here is my eyes, whatever I need. And of course here in the middle I keep, right now there are all, what would you say, my blushers. There's no end to this kind of stuff that I have. So here, this is a cutie. I found Too Faced last year Christmas when I was in America, and I just opened it and it is wonderful. I love Too Faced. And then I got a baby one with that whole kit, and it's doing wonders. Isn't that cute? However, you must use something to stick it on. Look at that. And the eyes pop. So this is my favorite because this helps me to put the crease color. And then I just put this and I take a little, I like good things. I spend money on good things. So this is the best glitter glue, Too Faced. You can also use Makeup Studio, or I don't know, whichever one. Calabar, everyone's coming out with them, but I use this. So I just put this in the highlighter, do the crease, and with a little thing I have a solid glittery look. So these are my favorites going on. Then for highlighters, I have Jeffree Star. I think this guy says what he has to. So this is for the ultimate glow. Just one swoosh, and there it goes. So I have to use a very small thing. Then of course I like, what is this? I don't know, whatever it is. I like this. Girls all who wonder what I use, I get so many calls as to what I should buy. When I teach makeup for self makeup, I make sure that I only make you buy bahut thoda sa, and I like palettes. So Huda, I picked up this palette. See, I've not used it because somehow ye cold color ho gaya. I don't like this. I don't like the creamy look. I'm not a over person, and this sometimes I just use like this. Tip, you can use any of these for your lips, with your lipstick to make it dry and shiny as the fashion is right now, or you can use it as a blush. That's the kind of things that I like. And here are my blush kits. I put, most of them have this, beautiful color and they get spoiled. So I wrap them in cellophane. Please try this strip because it does not make my expensive makeup look bad. So here I like this. I don't know if it is still available. So these things give me, but see, however, I haven't gone and used this because I feel isme hum kale lagenge. So this is not touched, but I use these and it has a little shine. So, it gives a soft look and I love it. Then I went to Laura Mercier. I'm crazy. And here, this is a new palette. We got into lockdown, but this is a pretty pink. And it helps me. However, not very fond of it. Then I have NARS, the holiday edition. Kept it nicely because I don't like to dirty it. And that's pretty good. You can see I've used this and I've used these colors. Sometimes I just go shush, 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 and then just put it and then the right color comes. Depending. Then I have Becca. I don't know if they have these things, but that's how I buy. So in this one palette, I can do the whole makeup. I can do the crease with the eyes, the contouring, and the eyeshadows. I can use this. It's a very lovely pigment again. Now I don't know where I have to put it here. See? And if I take some of the brown, Okay, where? Here. And then just put this over here. So then I have a lovely shiny glow. Can you see the glow? So this is there. And of course, not to forget that I customized a MAC palette. One is finished, the Dolly Mix. These are my favorites. You can see this is the best. It works as a contour as well as a blush. It's called Gingerly. And I took two things, but however, इनको बहुत हल्के से लेना होता है. If you take too much, then it becomes that dark. This is the shiny patch. I'm not very fond of it. I can't control it. And this is, of course, the brown color that we need, but it can be there everywhere. So these are some of the things that I'm carrying. Then I come back here, and these are again my contours. One is the cream one, Starlight, and one is the powder one. And you can see I've used these extensively, so I'll get these refilled. Those are the things that I like to use. So that was about the skin. Now I'll just come back and we'll get back to the eyeshadows. Everything is less. Bye, Sia. So, Rajiv, thank you for filming this. See, the beautiful Aravali is right outside. That's what we are waiting for our clients. They are getting the work done. And Rajiv's son tells him, "Kahan hotel mein gaye ho? To jungle mein gaye ho aap." It's so cute. And here we come back. So here's my booty of only some of the palettes that I've carried here. I'll just share how to buy some things. Okay, so one of my favorites is Anastasia. See, they have velvet covers और ये बहुत जल्दी खराब हो जाते हैं. So I did put in. Now I'll have to go back and I put it. And you can also save your lovely products from getting dirty by doing this. And this is my most used products. You can see that I've finished all those things. I'm a natural person. But this and the Huda are two things that everyone should have. Okay, you can see that it is dirty and I've used it too much, and now I'm going to buy the remastered. Don't like to waste. And again, same colors I've used most, and these are difficult to use. So the new reloaded Huda is really good. But I'm an Anastasia girl, so this is Anastasia Modern Renaissance. And there's this great makeup artist Mario. So he made this for Anastasia. So I have these colors, very well suited to our Indian skins. And if I have to use one product, one little tint, then I use this for myself. This is mostly used by me because you see that I just that's the amount of makeup I use. And so I love this, that there are highlighters here and very muted colors. And Kim Kardashian makeup artist is Mario. Thanks to him that we have some very wonderful stuff. So on my travels to, so this is the Norvina ABH Anastasia Beverly Hills. I was in America last year. They were coming out with a Christmas kit, and this is what I love. But then we had the lockdown and I couldn't use too much. I have the Anastasia Beverly Norvina. I think Anastasia, I prefer this because I don't need this cover actually. So I can just take it out. I love opening things as soon as I buy it. This is steel, so this is safe, but I don't know if it's available here or not. So this is a very beautiful palette, the colors that are going on now, and I've just started using it. I have so many that I get lost. So I love the pigments. You see how beautiful is that? You can just put some gloss and put a lipstick, you know, make a lipstick out of this. And I love this here. That's all the shine it takes. Wonder products. I really love this. Yeah, I have a nail polish, a lipstick, or an eyeshadow. So, but this is for like a long time. Then the other one, Anastasia girl, this one is black, and this is whatever this is called, I don't know. They're really expensive, 5,000 bucks. And I like it that they have a brush. I don't know where I put the brush here, but you can see that I've not used it too much because I have too much stuff. So I've decided not to buy anything for some time. So 1, 2, 3, 4 I have bought here. Those are Anastasia, so put them here. This is how I carry them each. I like carrying them like this. And the Norvina, it goes. So that was Anastasia. Huda, I have this. I don't have too much. Then I have Too Faced. Some things you use, some things you don't. Smells vanilla chocolate. You can see that I've had it for some time and I haven't used it, but sometimes it goes that, you know, if I need to, I can do the whole thing. I love that it has a black and I can mix it with anything to make it a little smoky. So like this, just mix this and this, so you don't have an exact smoke, but you have a darker smoke than probably this one. See? So that's how I can make colors. Just go and do whatever I want. So this is what I teach my clients. The next is, of course, you've seen that this is used. This is the Too Faced Peaches. And I love that our Indian skin tones are really made for this. Again, smells wonderful. I don't know what they do. It's smelling good after a year still. And then I bought some. Aren't you gonna have one tissue paper, please? Okay, here I have. Guys, pick up whatever you have to. I don't know whether I'll post this. So then this was the holiday edition cutie kit that I bought last year, opened now because we all went into lockdown. It's really pretty, really pretty. That's how strong it is, and that's how it goes. I don't have anything on my hands. I really love this. I really love that you can create. I'm more into a single eyeshadow nowadays because of the mask thing, and this really gives me the opportunity to take anything that I want. That's how strong it is, and I have dirty fingers. Just see this, and I use one finger and here. I really like this, and it has all these colors. The foil ones, it's still better that you use your fingers. Brush mein ye aata nahi hai, and it has some mats to help me play with it, and it looks really beautiful. And of course, I showed you my little baby glitter from the same collection, wherever it is. Okay, the next thing I come to is Violet Voss. So as a makeup artist, I love collecting things of great makeup artists. So this is Violet Voss. Best Life. I'm very bad with names, so it has the most amazing glitter collection that I really love, but you have to use something to stick it on. So that's the kind of look it gives. Yeah, beautiful. But you can see that I haven't used more. I like this palette. This is very happening. I love this one. See, just comes in there, glides on. So this is my favorite. I'm more of a natural artist, natural glamorous, that's what I call it, and everyone loves it, so I stick to that, though I love using colors too. So that's Violet Voss. Then I come to a Pro Magic Lorac palette, which is not available everywhere, but it is extremely pigmented, and my poor palette, uska cover nikal gaya and it has become dirty. It's like above 10,000 bucks or whatever. Expensive, but well worth it. I have to be careful jab usko uthaun, so like it's so solid that this is what happens. So this is for solid looks. I use it at times for all the neutrals, lovely neutrals, and I mix and match. I mix and match whatever, and that's how you can have a palette. However, not recommended for you. This is like my Louis Vuitton. Then I come to the next one, Urban Decay. I love Urban Decay. So of course I have all the other ones, but I love this, the Urban Decay, the dark one. What is this called? The Fun Full Spectrum. So I like this when I need bright colors, Indian colors. I have this solid. Then I have the Vice 1, Vice 2. I don't know how much products I have, man. And these are, you can see that I've used all of them. It's a very nice palette. So Vice 1, and then this is Vice 2. Here, almost like new. I have so much that I haven't used them, but they're same colors, similar colors, and beautiful here. That's how strong the pigment is. Just see that, beautiful. Then what else do I have? Of course I didn't get the normal ones, Urban Decay 1, 2 Naked palettes. Then there's Urban Decay Moon Dust. So this is a glitter. So I put an eyeshadow and I put some of that Too Faced glitter, and then I can just go and do a whole soft look using this. Now what do I use this on? See here. So that's the glitter that comes out. It's pretty. All to have. And I have Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, which is wonderful, but I don't like it because it's बहुत बड़ा है and I find it difficult to use. But if I don't have to carry anything and then I just have this, you have this, the real one. Please don't buy the nakli one. There's a lot of nakli products going on. The real one costs 4,000 something, so it is value for money, and it's wonderful. The pigments are wonderful. This is for all the eyes, and I can make any color here. I can just make this, and you know, here I have a aqua color. So that is of course my knowledge. And they have these colors which are like solid you foil colors, and then the matte colors, and wonderful palette, but I find it difficult to use. Then I have my customized MAC. Now I'm not so much of a MAC person. I customized this according to me, and I put one Anastasia here which was like $20. Not worth it. You can see that it's just lying here. So I don't like singles. Buy one palette. Make sure आधे जो हैं वो browns and pinks होते हैं, because those are our skins, and then I add up. Now there are so many palettes that I can just take one palette, and you can see that I've used these the most: the gold MAC, and the brown, and the pink. And here, these are the colors that I've used. So this was a customized palette. Then, because as I told you, my Louis Vuitton is my makeup. So there's this artist called Natasha Denona, and she's really good, and the products are really expensive. So I went and bought this, and you can see that I didn't use it. But again, the pigments are beautiful. Just see this. Be careful when you use any of these. Just see that. And it has a lovely red. Sometimes I mix the red, and then I take some gold on top, and then I just put it there, and I customize the color. I love the pink, and I love this as a neutral shade. I don't know if you can see it. Oh my god, everything is dirty. Yeah, beautiful. So this was some of my kit, and of course I have a little MAC thing. Our Mickey contractor came out with this MAC little collection, which is wonderful. You can see that I use this most on eyebrows when I don't want a very bushy look. We've gone crazy. I like everything natural. I've done my eyebrows a little bit, and that is all I like. But for brides and for other makeups, I do. And these are the two lovely colors, and you can have a whole palette. So this is something that I like. Bye guys. Now going to dance with and do some Kathak. Well, let me find some musicians. Still, Tanya and all come. Take care.